Hello dear children, all are welcome in today's maths class. So students, today we will do worksheet 1 of unit 7 money. Here we will do how to read and write figures in rupees and paise. So students, amount of money can be written in two ways, in words and in figure. For example, look here, 3 rupees and 50 paise. So how to write this rupees in figure? So it is rupees 3.50. So students, this dot separate the rupees from paise. Next example is 3 rupees and 5 paise. So we will write it rupees 3.05. It is 3 rupees 5 paise. Remember one thing students, if paise is less than 10 rupees, paise is less than 10, then write a 0 after dot. Many students makes a mistake. Remember this thing, if paise is less than 10, then write a 0 after dot. Students, now come to worksheet 1. So the question number 1 is write the following amount in figure only. So here amount is given in words, you have to write this amount in figure. 55 rupees 25 paise. So students, as I told you that points separate rupees and paise. So students, 55 rupees we will write before point, then point we will write paise. Here is 25 paise. So 25 paise we will write after point because this point separate rupees and paise. So 55 rupees 25 paise. B part, 7 rupees 70 paise. So 7 we will write before point, then point we will write 7 rupees 70 paise we will write in this way, 7 rupees 70 paise. Next C part is 63 rupees 50 paise. So 63 rupees write down and after that point 50 paise. 63 rupees 50 paise. Next is 14 rupees. Now students, there is no paise. So how to write 14 rupees? So 14 rupees we will write in this way. Rupees 14 only, no point because here is no paise, so no point. And also write down rupees with these rupees. This is a sign of rupees. Now students, next E part is 85 paise. 85 paise. Now there is no rupees. So how to write? As you all know that paise we will write after point. So point firstly write down and 85 paise. Now before point you can write 0. In rupees there is nothing, then you can write 0.85. Now next is 5 paise. Now students, how to write 5? If you will write 0.5 because here is paise, so paise we will write after point. So 0.5 if you will write, then it is wrong. It is wrong. As I told you students, if paise is less than 10, 5 is less than 10, so it means how to write it? We will write 0.5. So 0.05 we will write. It is 0.05 paise. It is paise. Now students, sign you will write, this sign you will write in these figures. Now students, G part is 157 rupees 2 paise. How to write? Look, 157 we will write in this way. Now students, look here, in paise here is 2 paise. It is less than 10. Less than 10, it means we will write it 02 and also write the sign of rupees here. Now students, next last part, H part, 1 rupees. So 1 rupees we will write in this way. It is very simple, rupees 1. No point because there is no paise, so no point. So it is 1 rupees. I think all of you got it. Look here, one time we will revise again. It is 55 rupees 25 paise. So write rupees sign 55.25. 55 is rupees, so write 55 before point and paise write paise after point, 25 paise. In this way 7 rupees 70 paise, so 7 we will write before point and paise we will write after point, it is 70 paise. In this way 63.50, 50 paise, then 14 rupees, then 85 paise, so 0 point we will write, here is only paise, so we will write paise after point. Okay, before point there is nothing rupees, so we can write 0. Next is 5 paise students. As I told you that if amount is less than 10 rupees, so we will write it 05. So it is 0.05. So it is 5 paise. In this way 157.62 rupees 157.62. Then 1 rupees, so rupees 1 we will write in this way. Now come to the next question. Question number 2 is write the following amount of money in words. So here figures given, we will write this amount in words. In previous question we have converted words to figure. Now in this question we will convert figure to words. Now how to write? Look, it is a 5 before point, it means it is 5 rupees. After point here is 25, so it means 25 paise. So we will write in words 5 rupees 25 paise. Come to the next part, rupees 71.60. How to read? Before point is here is 71, so we will read it 71 rupees. 60 is after point, so it is 60 paise. 71 rupees 60 paise. We will write it in words 71 rupees 60 paise. In this way next question, it is a different question. Rupees 0.15. Now students, you can see here in rupees, here it is 0 means nothing, and in paise here it is 15. So we will write it 15 paise, simply 15 paise. No need to write 0 rupees 15 paise, just write down 15 paise. Okay, next question is saying 0.08. Now students, look here is 08. So what is this? This is a 8 paise. Okay, now students, next part is 150.40. So it means 150 rupees 40 paise. Now one part left students, do F part yourself. So this is your worksheet 1. Next worksheet we will do tomorrow. So students, I hope all of you got it. Now we will meet tomorrow. Have a nice day.